Today I wanted to show you. You see my nipple? I bored it out and put a big old BB in there, but the BB fell out and I just haven't replaced it. This is one way to correct your Highflyer when it starts not to engage the mop mechanism. You can bore your hole out and stick a metal BB in there, the same size as the nipple. Just drill it out and stick it in there, put some glue down in the hole, and then just press the BB in there and it'll work again. Now, at least until the BB falls out from the glue. Depends on what glue you use. So I actually went a different way. It's real easy to do, and you stick duct tape or electrical tape in where the nipple would be. This would raise this center part up, and I don't have a window to show you. But see, once it's engaged, it's not going to flop down. Even if you yank the pole a little bit, and yes, you really yank it. You feel me? See? That's all you got to do. That's M.A.W. quick tips. If your Highflyer, remember, if your Highflyer starts not to stick some duct tape down there and you'll be fine. Watch what I tell you. I ain't gonna steer you wrong. I got your back, trust me. I'm a wag master, man. A wag master. Wagologist. This one is 14-inch Highflyer. Kind of did half-ass in the way, but you see, it works very well. It works very well. My nipple's going, but as you see, I just got tape down in there. Just smashed it right where the nipple would go, and we got, yeah, I know you see. Hey, all that noise, god darn. We know your car's loud. I know you see my monstrosity here, my Franken tool. Damn. See, it works good. What I tell you. But yeah, this works very well. Trust me, it might look a little crazy, but it works very well. I'll show you one where I have a BB in there. Alright, see, here's one. Here's one with a BB. As you can see, I have it in there. This one works good too. Little tip, when you're scraping windows up high, use this angle adapter to swing it around the opposite way. So it's just like having a curved scraper, an angled scraper, without buying one. If you already have one of these angle adapters, it's perfect because you won't have to stand so far back just to scrape the window. You can stand up close if you needed to. Next thing I want to say is, over there in my video you saw me, I don't know if it'll be before or after this, but you saw me use this little yellow disc wagtail. This one, right? So the concept is you get to have a ledger, but you get to have that certain angle. You know what I mean? This is the proper way to actually utilize this angle to your advantage. You can twist it any way, and you'll be able to close off better. Try it. I guarantee you'll say I was right. Try it. All right, fellas. I just completed that Royal Farms job, and I really underestimated that job, man, because I didn't take a look at it. 2 days working on this project. 10-man labor hours. 10 hours to do this Royal Farms. That's how dusty, that's how much caulking was on the windows and stickers. 4 hours. I told the lady, I said, you know what, you got a good deal on this job. And she says, you know what, just be thankful that we all have work, and I'll use you again, and trust me, you can't always make I'm saying to myself, you can't always make what you want to make on every job, especially if you don't assess it properly. This is a lesson learned. Now, the opportunity to assess the job wasn't there because she needed an answer right away. So what do? Do you just, out of your better judgment, just go ahead and price a job being blindfolded based on another location that's already clean, with the exception of the construction dust and everything? So that job should have been at least about $500 easy. I ended up walking away with about $400 from my initial quote of $350 because she wanted me to do the soda doors. And I said, oh, I knew you was going to ask that. She was like, yeah, just real quick. All it just needs to do is just be clean. I didn't have to scrape it, so that was good. It was just regular cleaning. But, that's like 2, 4, 6, 8. That was like almost 20 pieces of glass. When you talking about cleaning both sides, that's like cleaning 20 windows. So I only charged her like $45 for it. But anyway, there you have it. I got some work coming up with this lady over in the college, the University of Penn, UPenn. So that's good. But all right, thanks for tuning in, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, or if you didn't like the video, then put the thumbs down. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Macafrackalacka, peace, peace, peace. Damn, the liquor stores is closed. I can't even get my beer now. I done work from sun up to sundown. All right, I'm out of here.